GreenTrader.PRO is a platform that helps eco-friendly startups raise funds for their projects by integrating trading in standard stocks and cryptocurrencies. It focuses on projects that have a positive impact on the environment, such as reducing carbon emissions and cleaning the planet of plastic. The platform is a lunchpad, which is a crowdfunding platform for raising money for blockchain projects. Investors invest their money to create a product or service in return for tokens, which they can sell later when the project succeeds. GreenTrader.PRO offers a unique opportunity for investors to invest in eco-efficient projects while contributing to the well-being of the planet. The platform offers a vetting process for both startups and investors to ensure safety. It offers fundraising and project launches through different types of cryptolunchpads such as ICO, IEO, IDO, INO, and IGO. Once the project successfully passes the initial sale of tokens on the launchpad, these tokens can be added to cryptocurrency exchanges' trading floors. Launchpads are crowdfunding platforms for raising money for blockchain projects. They provide intermediary services to startups and investors. Investors invest their money to create a product or service at the development stage, and in return they receive tokens, valuable digital assets that give the investor the rights to become a shareholder in the project. Transforming and improving the Earth's ecology and climate has become not only prestigious, but also profitable, thanks to GreenTrader.PRO. This platform allows you to invest in eco-efficient projects that help rid the planet of plastic, reduce carbon emissions, and slow global warming. By investing in these projects, you can receive both electrical and thermal energy in value equivalent. In addition, all environmental instruments and cryptocurrencies can be traded on the GreenTrader.PRO exchange using smart contracts. GreenTrader.PRO offers a unique opportunity not only to invest in environmental projects, but also to profit from them. As a result, in addition to their personal benefit, investors can also contribute to the general well-being of our planet. All parties benefit. The crypto startup receives funding and continues development, while investors buy tokens at a price well below the market price, and can resell them at a higher price if they wish. Once launched on the market, as it develops and new investors emerge, the profits of shareholders who invested in the startup at the launchpad stage grow. Creators of cryptocurrency, NFT, and other blockchain projects. Blockchain games, DeFi, art, and anything else you can think of from the cryptocurrency world. In fact, there is no format limitation for projects looking for sponsors on the crypto launchpad GreenTrader.PRO. In order for the exchange to approve the project and agree to list it on the launchpad, the startup must present ready-made business and token economy models, as well as a development team, with a description of their experience and qualifications. The project is also expected to have the potential to implement and scale in the market and benefit the cryptocurrency community. In addition, GreenTrader.PRO provides the opportunity to trade all environmental instruments and cryptocurrencies via smart contracts. This allows investors to quickly and easily trade and profit on various markets. GreenTrader.PRO is thus a unique platform that offers not only trading opportunities, but also support for green and energy-efficient